Morning guys! Earlier today we visited Eboy Sabater's Aviary located at Imus, Cavite para masampal ng katotohanan hindi namin kayang bumili kahit isa sa mga ibon na yan. Madaming green chickens, sun conures, Indian ringnecks, and madami pang uri ng ibon like cockatiels, may pabo pa nga, and syempre may mga manok dyan. And if you can see, they're eating sunflower seeds. Pero I guess it's not their usual diet kasi medyo ma-oil yung sunflower seeds and really not that healthy for the birds pag paulit-ulit na yun yung kinakain nila. Diba? Na-notice nyo, they are used to dealing with people because all of them are hand-fed. So, chinagaya ni Sir Eboy. Diba? Those are Indian ringnecks. Different colors, very vibrant. Diba? My favorite color, blue. Kasong mal yun eh. That one is a green chikunure. And this one is a sun conure na kinain yung kulugon ni Remar. Diba? They are so tame. They are so maamo, so sweet. No, inggit na inggit talaga ako kanina kung nakapagbulsa lang ako ng isa. Eh di sana.
Wala na akong seeds. Ayun, sa
Kaso
kanya.
ba mahuli kami ni Sir Eboy. Diba? Oh, tingnan mo. So maamo lang sila. And so cute. I have birds at home pero not these kinds of bird. Kasi medyo mga expensive na to. Yung green chikunure, meron ako niyan, isa lang.
Morning.
Pero Sir Eboy, daan-daan yung meron siya. Also, sun conure na 5 digits talaga. Yung mga average price niyan. Mga 25 and up, diba? So sweet! So sweet, so sweet. So, paano kaya ako magkakaroon yan? Pahiramin mo na ako, sendan mo ako sa GCash. Thank you.